guys, High More Hydro coming at you again, and I'm here today for a really quick, super important update. Here it is. I got myself a really important piece of equipment today, one without which I would not be able to do this grow. You're not going to believe it. Here, let's just show you. It's a barrel. It's a normal barrel. There's nothing special about this barrel. But in this video, I'm going to show you why I'm cleaning this barrel, why this barrel is so important, and why I need this barrel right now. So I'm going to set you up on that little piece of styrofoam down there, and we're going to go over it. So, why am I cleaning this barrel? I've got some bleach solution, which is just bleach and water, and I'm cleaning a barrel. Why? Because cleanliness is godliness. And if this little cleaning helps save me from root rot or any other kind of diseases on my plants, it's absolutely worth the 20 minutes it takes to clean it. And you're probably wondering, why? Why are you uploading a video of you cleaning a barrel? That's ridiculous. Well, let's get to it. This barrel just came today, and it was a godsend because, one, if you guys are running RO water, which I am, you know that it doesn't produce really quickly. Usually it comes with like a holding tank of maybe 5 gallons. Mine, I doubled the tank. I have 10 gallons, but it really only holds like 7. That's not a lot, and it produces that like every 4 or 5 hours. So when you look at it, and I have 2 reses, one here and one there, both systems are holding 40 gallons. That's 80 gallons. And if I'm only getting maybe 14, 21 gallons a day, you're going to need somewhere to store the water every single time. I don't have enough buckets to leave filled with water. So this barrel is clutch. If you're planning on doing hydro, it's a good idea to have a barrel. Let's get into why I need the barrel right now. Let's talk about it. Remember in the last video when I was talking about the importance of, finding good air stones, how it's kind of hard to find good ones? Well, I decided to switch my air stones from the VivoSun ones. I'll show them to you here. These are the VivoSun air stones. 4x2, they're called the large ones. When I had them hooked up, all the air bubbles were just coming right out here, out the top, and it was creating like really rough, rumbling water instead of little teeny bubbles, which is kind of what you want. And, with new roots or whatever, it might have been fine, but it's not performing the way it's supposed to. It's supposed to come out through the entire stone and diffuse all the air instead of just rumbling big bubbles coming up through the top. So, I decided to get rid of these ones. They're going back to Amazon today. And I replaced them with these air discs. Got them from my local aquarium store. Really good deal. They're like, I think it was $6 a piece. Look really nice. But can you spot what's wrong with them? Anyone want to take a guess? What about this side? See it now? They should have little suction cups on the bottom. And I noticed this as soon as I opened them up. I thought maybe the suction cups were behind them. I couldn't really check it out in the store because we're on lockdown and, you got to do everything curbside. So I just grabbed the bag and got to my car and checked them out. And I thought, it's kind of heavy. Maybe it'll just sit in the bottom. And I dropped them in, and, it seemed like they were sitting fine. So I walk away. 10 minutes later, I come back, just check on things, make sure everything's good. Every single disc has flipped up and gone against the drain, clogging it all up. I could hear the rumbling in the res. It was bubbling up. I was, one more air stone flipped up, and it was flooding the tent for sure. So that's no good. What's that got to do with the barrel? I need to now empty all the buckets, dry everything out, and I'm actually going to silicone these to the bottom. Probably, I don't like it, but it's what I have to do because at the end of the grow, I'm going to have to actually scrape off all the silicone, pull these out so I can clean everything. It's just a solution to get through this grow. So, we have to do it. The other option was, and I was thinking about it, I even tried it, I had these... I have these, fish weights, the little lead ones. I tied a string through the back and hung, 3 little lead fishing weights on the bottom, and it seemed like it would do the job, but I don't know if I like lead sitting in the water. And you know, it's kind of silly. So we're just gonna bunker it down, lay down some silicone, let it dry for 24, 48 hours, and yeah, hopefully that holds. We don't really want to flood. That would really mess everything up, getting into the heater, getting into the humidifier, just ruin a whole bunch of stuff. That's the last thing you want in a grow tent. So all this water back in the barrel, silicone, and yeah, I better get to it. I got some cleaning to do. Yep. Best of luck, guys. Happy growing. Pick your air stones carefully. Bye.